Here we are in the Capri. A lot has happened. A lot has changed. Most of it for the better. There were some ups, there were some downs, but we are back on the ups. And this is me going for a little drive. When the fuel catches up. There it goes. No throttle. Doing it on its own. Bit of a shambles, I know. Dash is barely in. This part of the dash is not in. A lot of wiring to sort. But all in time. Off the road then. Just running out of fuel. That's the first time I've been in fifth gear in almost a year. Drove a little bit yesterday after it was first running. I wanted to take it out today just to let it sink in that it's actually driving again. So yesterday I got a lot of stuff done. A mate of mine has been coming over to help me set it up. I say help. I helped him, if anything. It's more or less him all the effort. And there's a couple of problems, a couple of niggles that we had to see through. Like two cracked spark plugs. Took the intake off and got that sealed up because certain there was a vacuum leak, and it turned out to be an idle air valve that was again popping its little cap off. After that, then it wanted to start, so it's been good since. He's done an amazing job on the map. Got a decent base map on it, up to the point where I can actually drive the car. Good set of niggles to sort out, mate. That's binding. Not too bad, it's not really slowing me down much. It's not that bad. Exhaust is knocking. Especially with air. I want to make sure that I got no coolant leaks. Need to sort that pump out. Not having that noise. Set up and back in. I've only got one headlight at the minute. Look at that. Idling lovely. And then it's due its MOT soon. That should be interesting. Get it tracked and then get it mapped. The Tiger's a mess. It's making good solid hard boost. I'll show you that now. But yeah, it's driving. It has been a long while since it last drove. Almost a year, actually. Steering works nice. It's a nice change on it now. Not wrangling it round corners. Drives extremely well considering. I'm pretty sure the wheels are like this. Ever since I fitted the compression struts, they well, I can only get them as close as I can by eye. It's nice to enjoy it, you know. Chatters like nothing. Right chatterbox. Driving my Capri. And there's some strange looks. The biggest change was having that Maxx ECU. Did not want to run on that Omex. He was not happy with it. Pretty sure the engine was a bit knackered. I'm not even sure how old it was. I never actually found that out. According to the guy at Omex, it was a good few years old because they don't make them like that at the moment, he said. He said they've changed some of the plugs and the wiring, sort of ideas on it. All that exhaust. Comes on like a wave. Wow. And before you know it, you're fucking keeping your head up. 0.63 turbo housing, man. Too big. Too big. And it's only making about 11 pounds. It comes in thick. Like a custard slice just thrown at your face. Whatever that means. Power steering. Yes, please. Right, let's take it back because I'm pretty sure it's running out of fuel. Those pumps are whining something terrible. was first drive. Technically drove it yesterday, but you know, we'll gloss over that because I just didn't stop yesterday. It was non-stop.